Welcome, soldiers. Thank you for studying the art of warfare. Thank you for following this channel and giving your immense support. Believe in God. Love your fellow man. Eat healthy. Train your body. Take care of your equipment. Leopard Tanks. Leopard 1 introduced in the mid-1960s. The Leopard 1 prioritized firepower and mobility over heavy armor. Main armament, 105mm rifled. Gun. Strengths, superb power-to-weight ratio and excellent cross-country performance. Weaknesses, light armor, even vulnerable to autocannons. Service life, phased out of most frontline roles by the early 2000s. Leopard 2 entering service in 1979. The Leopard 2 is a third-generation main battle tank that replaced the Leopard 1. Main armament, 120mm smoothbore Rheinmetall gun. Systems, advanced fire control with laser rangefinder and thermal optics. Protection, superior composite armor. Operational history: Kosovo, Afghanistan, Syria, Ukraine. It is regarded as one of the most formidable MBTs in the world. Modern variants and upgrades: Leopard 2A5+ fangled applique armor for better survivability. Leopard 2A7 2A7V enhanced SETA systems, optronics, programmable ammunition, better urban combat capabilities. Leopard 3 2AX2 in early 2030s will feature a 130mm gun, advanced protection. Next-gen fire control. Leopard 2 ARC 3.0 2020 for concept, remote-controlled turret. Guided missiles, autoloader for 120 to 140mm rounds. Why they're highly regarded. Firepower, modular ammunition, long-range precision, armor, strong composite, active protection in newer versions. Mobility, speed, and agility for offense and defense. Logistics, large global fleet. Ease of maintenance. Technical weak points: general. Non-operational. Even the Leopard 2 has physical and engineering limits. Hull bottom and running gear, thinner armor than frontal arc. Vulnerable to mine speeds. Rear section, engine and transmission area lightly armored for cooling and weight savings. Turret roof and hull top are thinner than frontal armor. Vulnerable to top attack munitions, optics and sensors, cameras, thermals. Laser rangefinders are delicate. Limited onboard ammunition while stored in armored compartments. Catastrophic hits can still disable the tank. General neutralization concepts: publicly known logistics disruption, fuel, ammo. Maintenance dependency, terrain denial, mud, rubble. Narrow streets, electronic warfare, disrupt communications, navigation, attrition. No MBT can remain in constant combat without crew rotation. Armor layout overview: frontal zone, thick composite layers, steel, ceramic, tungsten, plastics, resistant to modern APFSDS and heat, heavy, affecting vehicle balance. Side armor, thinner than front, modular panels, often upgraded with arrow or slat armor. Top armor, traditionally thin. Modern upgrades improve resistance to top attack threats. Hull bottom, reinforced for mine IED protection. V-shaped floor in newer versions. Rear section, lightest armor, high thermal signature, modular engine block for fast swaps. Electronics, advanced but vital loss severely degrades combat performance. Thank you for following this channel and for your immense support. Goodbye. We wish you a pleasant rest of the day.